Hello, my name is Marta Shitaye. This is for Graphics Design 313. We are working on the zebra stripes project, and I'm going to show you on the code that I worked on. Also, I do want to apologize. There is a lot of people around me, so there's a lot of background noise. So I'm sorry about that. Let me share my screen and I will run the code, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay. Um, Let me share. Yes. Okay, I'm going to share this and okay, it should take me here to my code and I'm just gonna hit run here and we can see the zebra stripes animating. I hope you could see that. I just want to go over and rerun it again by showing you different delays because I messed around with the delay because I had to set a timer one. Let's run it a little bit slower. And it is animating and progressing slowly instead of just popping at the same time. So I'm going to go over what my code is different and yeah, I'll go over it. So for this code, originally from the book, when I was running the code, it didn't have any screen popping up, any screen. Nothing was running. It was just, it was perfect. The code, the syntax was perfect, but nothing would pop up. So I had to add a frame or something like that to JPanel, sorry, to open up that window to show the animation. So I'll go here what's different with my code. So the first thing is the buffer image. For the buffer image, the main method creates a window using JFrame, adding the zebra stripes panel and starts the animation using a timer. The image is not saved to a file, but instead displayed in a window. So it's just going to display the window. So this is what that code is doing. So here, this is where I added the timer. This is where I was controlling the delay. If you go over the code, it would show you that it is indicating that it's for delaying the images that are popping up. Let me go back. Oh, sorry. Let me go back to my code. Yes, so that's where the delay is happening. And I'm sorry. Um, Yes, and then this is how it's animating. It slowly animates the drawing of the stripes by progressively and slowly displaying them. And I think every time that we generated, it is a different stripe that is coming because I added we had a library to import in the book for randomization, and I'm calling that randomization multiple times so that every time it's run, it's a different stripe. So that's very cool. I like that. Another thing that I implemented is the current step. The current step, the first code, the original code doesn't have this, so I had to implement this. And this is to indicate uh, to draw next arc because in the original code it was just popping up all at once. This is to indicate draw next arc. This is a new class called it draw next arc. So it draws one arc at a time. That's what it do. That's what it does to just increment it, and it's also connected to the timer here. And it's showing where it's stopping once all the arcs are displayed. And all this code that is highlighted in blue is just from our book, and this is what my partner worked on. And yeah, I hope this was a fun lesson, and thank you, and have a great day. I'm gonna stop sharing, and I'm gonna end.